At 50 and beyond, your most powerful asset in real estate isn't your bank account, your network, or even your years of experience. It's your character. That's right. The way you show up, the way you treat people, and the principles you live by, these are what set you apart in this business. Think about it. Deals come and go. The market goes up, the market goes down. But your character? That's what people remember. Integrity, consistency, fairness, these never go out of style. Money can lose value, but character never depreciates. So what does good character actually look like in real estate after 50? Let's break it down. First, integrity. That means doing the right thing, even when nobody's watching. Next, accountability. Owning your mistakes and making them right. Then there's respect. Treating everyone, from tenants to contractors, with dignity. Consistency matters too. Being reliable, showing up when you say you will, following through on your word, and finally, empathy. Remembering that every deal involves real people, with real lives and real dreams. If you want to know where you stand, start with a little self-reflection. Grab a notebook and write down your top 5 values. Ask yourself, would I stick to these values even if it cost me money? If the answer is yes, you've found a principle worth holding on to. That's the foundation of real character. But it's not just about you. When you're choosing partners, contractors, or tenants, look for those same qualities. Do they keep their promises? Are they transparent when things get tough? Do they treat others with respect, even under pressure? The people you surround yourself with will shape your reputation and your results. Here's the thing. Character isn't built in the big dramatic moments. It's proven in the small, everyday decisions. Keeping your promises, telling the truth even when it's uncomfortable, paying people fairly, showing empathy when someone's having a hard day. Every small action adds up, brick by brick, to build your reputation. And the impact? It's huge. When you lead with character, investors trust you with their money. Tenants stay longer because they know you'll treat them fairly. Contractors prioritize your projects because they know you'll pay on time and keep your word. Your community sees you as a builder, not just a buyer. Character creates trust, loyalty, and opportunity. Things money alone can't buy. Real estate is a mirror. If you're greedy, it shows. If you're principled, that shows too. The business will magnify who you are. Character creates opportunities that money can't touch. At 50 and beyond, you're not just building wealth. You're building a legacy. Your character is the baton you pass on to your children, your mentees, your community. It's what people will remember long after the deals are done. So if you're over 50 and building your real estate journey, remember, properties may bring wealth, but character builds legacy. Be the person people want to invest with, rent from, and learn from. Your principles are your true profit. This is Real 50 Plus. Subscribe for more strategies to turn your life experience into real estate success. It's never too late to start. Real 50 Plus is here to prove you're not too late. You're right on time. If this helped, like, comment, and share it with someone 50 plus, ready to start building legacy through real estate. Grab your free starter tools. Details are indicated in the video description below. Subscribe for weekly motivation, strategy, and support. Let's grow together.